Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit a PDF in Canva, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to edit this CV on Canva. Okay, so first I want you to come here, click on upload, and then you can drag and drop a file. So just drag and drop whatever PDF file you want. I'll just go ahead and drag and drop this CV. So as you can see, it is uploading, and then you can just go ahead and click on it. So there we go. Let's just go ahead and click on this one, and you can edit anything here. So let's say I want to get rid of a page. Let's first go ahead and zoom in. Okay, and now we can read this much better. So if you want to delete this page, very easy. You can just click on this delete page icon. To undo, you can come here, click on undo. Okay, and let's say you want to change your references. Maybe their number has changed. You can easily come here and change their number. Maybe it ends with a 47 now. Okay, go ahead and change their number. There we go. All right, that is perfect. So their number has changed. And let's say our years of experience has increased. So I'll come here and let's type in 18 years of experience. Okay, there we go. We'll just go ahead and drag this out as such. And if you want to change anything, you can always go ahead and do that. But at the end, what you need to do to save it is come here at the top right, click on share, click on download. Make sure the file type is not PNG. It should be PDF, okay? So you'll do all 4 pages. Just select all of them. Click on done. And then just go ahead and click on download. And there you go. As you can see, our PDF is currently downloading. I'll open this up in a new tab and show you the changes. So let's go. Here we have our new PDF. As you can see, we have now 18 years of experience. And I also changed this person's number, because if I come here, look at this one now ends with a 47, and the years of experience have also updated. And there you go. It's really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to Sasha Gemar.